Hello, hello. Today we'll be tasting different flavors of pulla. I have filled some pulla with two different or kind of similar fillings. Like this is done with yogurt, this is done with quark. I'm here trying to search something that I can replace quark with because so many people can't find quark so easily, because it's not worldwide available. So in Finland, quark is a lot used dairy product, a little bit tangy, looks like yogurt but it's not. It's much more protein rich. I have here filled pulla with some vanilla and lemon filling. This with quark is very fresh. It goes very well with the lemon, so it's kind of giving it's sweet and lemony taste. It's really nice. I used here Greek yogurt because it's the thickest one I have found, but it's not as thick in consistency as quark is. So it's kind of more runny always, so you have to use a little bit less. That's the first step. This is much more milder, not as fresh tasting. I don't know why quark makes the fresh taste, but it's kind of like more happy. I don't know. This is more like a little bit bland. I used a little bit of this powdered sugar, the very fine kind, so that it would not get runny in the oven. So it's kind of like it stays there well. So that's good. It doesn't go bubbly and so on. This filling also has a little bit of egg in it and so on. It's not bad. It's actually quite good also, this one. But maybe I used the same amount of lemon. Maybe this would need a little bit more lemon so that it would be more tangy a little bit. Looks the same. I have to say that they look so alike that I had to use two different containers with the labels on so that I remember which one is which. Good experiment, but I do prefer the quark, but I can do it with this. Maybe a little bit more acid, like acidity of lemon would help a little bit more. Maybe I would put even more sugar into it. Maybe it's just that I don't have enough of this yogurt filling. It's super nice filling, actually, as such. So, more space for yogurt filling, that's needed. It's super good.